Here's a new product. It's a flying alarm clock. It has a thing that's flying. Light, sound, flying. You got a fan to refly the ball in the Burgers. With a fan in the box.
Burgers.
Could you know me?
We open this and it's like,
no batteries! Is this the... Oh. I think they gave us a button just for us to play. Here's the one we go. Whoa! Whoa! Awesome, guys. So, okay, so clearly its mechanism is working, but we have to test out if the alarm clock side of the software, if it is working. 12, then minute, 2, okay, 3. Oh, but it's in PM. Shit. Alright, time to find out, guys. Sleep, sleep. Sick.
it's never been the longest geometry in my life.
Oh! Now we're gonna try switching it up. I just like in my sleep, I'm like, hey, shut up, hey, move hey, shut up. Like, how does it even work? I'm supposed to take it and come and place it back and stop.
It didn't really serve a purpose.
Yeah, its main purpose is not solved.
Like, I had to put a screwdriver, remove this shit, get 5 batteries, go find batteries, sleep 3 times, then fan thing doesn't work.
Well, technically the fan thing works, the alarm thing does not work. Let's find out how much this costed, then we can do a complete review. How much was it?
1,400, bro.
1,400? For $1,400, an alarm clock that does not work is definitely konjam. Whatever, if we got it like rated on 10 right now,
0.
10 would be around 4. Why 4? Because at least the fan thing was nice. You know, you press it, goes and zip. So yeah, that's a pointless product. On that note, Akkul Bros.